I just want to give you a brief overview of my new project where I create a Notion knowledge a template for your knowledge work. myNotionary will be an personal knowledge management system that's organized by para, but it also will help you to master your tasks as well as your notes and journaling. The basic idea of the whole Notionary is that you get an instruction like that, you get the template, and with the template you also get the instruction how to use it. So I will explain what is the Notionary, how to use it, how to use ticks, so your task management, how to use para, how to manage your projects and areas and resources, and as well how to use your notes and journaling so that you can work more productively and focused through your day. The core idea of the whole template is that you get a full experience how to manage your knowledge work, but not only like the template to structure your things, also the instruction how to use it so that you can learn by doing. Keep posted. I keep you up to date when I'm finished the template. Let me know in the comments if you have any ideas or questions about the template, and thanks for watching.